Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. On today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to make grilled chicken at home. Sometimes we tend to get this outside, but in this video, I'll be showing you how to make this effortlessly. First of all, you prepare your marinade. The ingredients will be listed on the screen. You blend all together to form a paste just like this. So the next step is to get the washed chicken and you drain out the water. Once that is done, you add in the marinade. You mix until it is well combined. Once that is done, you get a clean flame or a plastic bowl and then you cover it up and let it sit in the fridge for 24 hours. To achieve that grill taste, you'll be needing a charcoal grill. You take that outside, you place the chicken onto the rack. You grill on both sides for about 5 minutes. Once that is almost done, you brush in more marinade to give it extra flavor. Since you've gotten to this part, I can see you're enjoying the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get notification on when I upload new videos. And then you grill for about 5 minutes more and your chicken is ready. You can enjoy with your family and friends. Was this video helpful? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.